I'm back. Welcome guys back to my channel. For those of you guys that do not know me, my name is Jessica De-Heer. Welcome. And for those of you guys that have already been subscribed to this channel and following me on Instagram, welcome back again. Some of you guys that are following me on Instagram would have seen that I've been posting a lot more beauty content, and some of you guys have been asking for tutorial videos. So this is my intro video to show you guys. I'm about to give you guys just what you guys have been asking for. In this channel, you guys are gonna get a lot of beauty tutorials, beauty tips, lifestyle videos, as well as conversational videos regarding relationships as well as mental health. But I wanna know what you guys wanna see from me. So comment down below and let me know the type of content you'd love to see. I'm gonna keep it short and sweet though. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Nonetheless, I just want to say thank you so much guys for your love and support, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.